Hello and welcome to Mr. Unknown. This is my YouTube channel, so please like, subscribe, comment and share. I do apologise, sorry, for any inconvenience on my last audio. If you can make out what I'm saying through this app, I'm recorded in a different app now. So this app is hopefully going to be better for audio for you guys at home tuning in to this podcast I make. And yeah, this channel is all about exposure to paedophiles, rapists, murderers, cult religions, rapists, etc. And whatever you wish to be exposed, like the government, the monarchy, for etc. I will try and do my best to make some videos daily or every few days, so hopefully this audio works any better than the last. So please like this video, and if you can understand the voice through this, then that is brilliant. And the reason why I've made this channel is to expose very bad people and bring them down virtually, basically, as in like the last videos I have made about Lord Evans, and it takes a bit of research for me to do, and then upload the videos, create it, and then download it and edit. But nothing is scripted. It's coming out of the mouth of my voice and nobody else's, and I may get anybody else on the channel if they want to keep themselves anonymous by talking. Obviously I'll keep your identity safe, away from everybody, or you can speak your voice normally. I don't mind whichever you wish to use, but this is a channel for exposure only, no comedy, no pranks or anything like that, just strict apostate videos, like, because I am an apostate. If you wish to find out what that is, please go on Google, watch some YouTube videos, or watch these videos if you can, and that'll be really appreciated. And just please be educated, keep yourself positive, and these cults hopefully will get their exposure that they need. I'm not saying all religions are good, I'm not saying they're all bad, but the Jehovah's Witness community, once they get more exposure, and the ex-cult members being cults like Mr. Lord Evans, hopefully this of his channel will get shut down. So let's all work together anonymously or non-anonymous, but it is better to keep anonymous so we don't know who is each other, and have them shut down. Obviously you know who you are, I know who I am, and to get this person shut down off YouTube completely is the main goal. And yes, let's continue to fight against these cults. Thank you for your time watching this video, audio podcast, and see you soon.